The overall goal of this experiment is to treat a tree with endotherapy using tree-friendly lenticular bladed tools and the Venturi effect rather than drill holes. This is achieved by separating the subcortical woody fibers with a device having a blade with lenticular cross-section to access the xylomatic sap vessels. As a second step, fluid from an external reservoir is taken up by the tree as the hollow blade temporarily reduces the cross-section of the sap vessels, leading to a Venturi effect. Next, after the desired fluid is taken up, the blade is removed. The xylem sap moves up to leaves according to the transpiration rate, carrying with it the externally supplied fluid. Results obtained show that fluids are distributed. Further, injection sites partially close soon after the removal of the blade, due to the natural elasticity and turgidity of the fibers, and the cambial activity completes the healing process in a few weeks.
Usually, professional operators familiar with traditional trunk injection methods will struggle because with our instrument, the number of trees to be treated per day cannot be easily planned. It's true, our instrument was developed not to increase the daily productivity, but to decrease the long-term damages associated to wounds and to induce inside the tree a physical phenomenon able to increase the natural uptake of an external liquid.
Perform treatments on a day suited for endotherapy, preferably between bud break and late summer. Select the tree which will undergo the injection treatment. Begin by measuring the circumference of the tree at breast height to determine the quantity of solution to be used and the number of insertion sites. Next, in the first 100